section of my deepest needs. You were there, I knew, now you know.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are at STI. We have a few dope things planned for the car today. I apologize for the weird sounding voice. I woke up this morning pretty sick. Bobby was sick yesterday and I kind of took care of her all day, and then of course I woke up today feeling like absolute crap. So I apologize for the weird sounding voice. Let's get this day started.
Same old story with exhausting twins. Ready to relax in this magical bliss that is you and is I. So let's spend our time, babe.
So do you just use tools and you go behind the fender liner, or how does that all work?
On this, yeah. I mean, it just depends on the dent or where they're at, and how we get to them. I mean, sometimes on a door we might drill a small access hole. Sometimes you can go through the boot, like where the electrical is, and you can just go through there and get it.
All right, guys. So we're now here at Northwest Dent Repair to get some PDR work done. How long have you been doing this for?
About 14 years.
Yeah, geez. But it takes a while to get perfect at it.
Yeah, I mean, and it's something, because cars are always changing. You're always learning at least something.
Yeah. Is that just like a plastic?
Yeah, it's like nylon.
Oh, okay.
So it doesn't scratch the paint or anything.
Yeah. Do you also like use those glue-on things? And
yeah, sometimes you can't get to it. I mean, that stuff's, it only will pull like perfect dents. There's times where you'll glue it. If I can get a tool on it, I can usually go through it pretty quick. Whereas if I'm gluing it, sometimes you'll pull it, it doesn't do anything, you gotta glue it again.
Oh yeah. Does that ever pull paint off?
Oh yeah, you can do that too. So like if it's the car's been repainted, we usually won't even attempt it just because it's
not worth the risk.
No.
Yeah. It's like a brand new car, man.
Yeah.
She needs a buff now.
A little buffing, a little touch up.
Yeah, it's really good. God damn, she looks good, boys.
Alright, man.
I like it.
There you go.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you.
STI turned out absolutely amazing. If you're like in the Spokane or Coeur d'Alene area, seriously, come by Northwest Dent Repair. They do super good work. They even went as far as to start buffing out my car, which is absolutely crazy. So if you're in the area, come check them out. Oh man, it feels so good to have this car back. So we're all done getting the STI PDR done on the STI. I'm jumping in the Evo 10. It's been so freaking long since I went to a car meet, and there's a pretty big car meet supposed to happen tonight. So I'm jumping the Evo 10. It's the only good looking car I have right now that is like up and running. Like no hate on the STI, I freaking love the STI, but it's all stock. So I decided to come home, grab the Evo 10, and I'm gonna head into town, get the car cleaned up, go meet up with Bobby, see if she wants to take her Genesis out as well. I did end up getting this pod right here for the oil pressure gauge, and I absolutely freaking love it. It's super sick. It's so nice having all the gauges right there and like not on the pillar. You can really see them all like pretty good while you're driving, so it's pretty sick.
No need to slam. Go get another t-shirt on. I have more in my room.
What's wrong with your voice?
Sick.
Ready to go to the car meet?
Yes.
Are you taking your car too?
No.
What? Take your car!
No.
Please?
No.
Everyone wants to see the Gen too.
Nobody wants to see that right now.
Comment down below if you want to see the Gen at the car meet.
Not this one. Sorry.
you're whack. Here's the new apartment, guys. I never showed you. It's pretty small. I ain't tripping though. You know why I ain't tripping? Because we got a big ass couch, and the couch is dope. Here's a big kitchen table that we never sit at. I don't know why Bobby bought it. Here's a kitchen. Kitchen's a giant mess. Bathroom. Wow, I'm sure nobody cares about my house tour anyway, but here is the bedroom. Here's Bobby trying to find a shirt to go to a car meet in. Let's go. Should we go wash the wind? So man. Thank you, bro.
I've been watching YouTube for so long.
Good to meet you, bro. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too. Yeah, no, I was watching a YouTube video.
We made it out here to Cars and Coffee. This turnout is freaking crazy. What'd you say?
There's a
First
lot of
Spokane
people.
meet?
Remind me to keep my mouth shut because I can't talk.
Such a good turnout for a Spokane meet. What do you gotta say?
There's a lot of people here. It's weird for Spokane.
A fucking R8, man. An R8. Who has R8s in Spokane? Damn. Hi?
Why are you yelling?
Goals. This is goals right here, guys. And it's a V10.
Oh.
You know what that means?
Yeah.
Probably held ass.
No, but it was like
That is so sick.
so weird. I'll drive on the opposite side.
I know, right here.
Yeah.
Damn, I think it's that. Fuck, that's yours. Yeah, that's super clean, dude. I like it. Yeah, fitment. I'm telling you, every hatch needs this wing on it.
Yes.
I told you that, and look how good it looks.
I know, I never disagreed. I
Never disagreed.
Trying to come get you.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Let's go check out the car.
Oh, you get to see it now.
Let's go look at it.
Finally back.
Holy. I was expecting to see a big ass turbo inlet, but what's going on?
You see it? It still sucks all the air it needs, anyways.
Does it?
For the most part.
That's sick. That's nuts, dude. So how much power are you putting out? Like 220 maybe? 230?
First cylinder.
Yeah, first line, bro. We need to do an update on the channel of this car now, dude. This thing's nuts.
Maybe get a pull on it.
Yeah, seriously. Is it all tuned now?
Yeah.
There we go. All right, babe. You've seen all the cars here.
Okay.
Which is your favorite?
Alright.
All right.
Yeah. And then
Thanks, bro.
after that,
Thanks, bruh.
the Evo 10.
Squad whack. I think it's even. Is it STI? Is that Brembos on it?
Yeah, it's an STI.
It is an STI. Oh, is this yours?
Yeah.
This thing's pretty sick, dude.
It's
You never see shit like this.
yeah, it's a little different, but
Yeah, that's wild.
I found my baby.
You gotta have to speak up a little bit.
I found my baby.
what do you want?
I do. I want to.
Why do you? Why?
Because I'm getting bored of my Genesis. And I need a 4-wheel drive,
Okay.
turbo.
Okay.
You need a turbo, you say.
It's not 2-door, but that's okay.
This is what Bobby wants, like a 2018 plus STI.
I honestly really like how these look.
Go comment down below if you think Bobby should dump the Genesis, meaning sell it.
Babe, you're literally touching my boob.
What boob?
You're talking to my boob.
And sell the Genesis and buy a new STI. The car meet is done and over with. Huge shout out to everyone who came through.
You're so freaking sexy.
Me. Huge shout out to everyone who came through and showed love to me, Bobby, or the Evo 10. I really appreciate it. It's so awesome meeting all you guys in person. Freaking, I love it. Yeah, if you ever see me in public, get your naked butt out of here. If you ever see me in public, like cruising around, if you see me at the gym, if you see me at a car meet, guys, please come say what's up to me. If you see Bobby, go say what's up to her. If you see my car, take a photo, send it to me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video when we spend like 40 hours buffing out the STI. It's gonna look sick. Peace out. Bobby's naked.